Hey kids, get ready for an exciting adventure with the brave little ant. Let's see how this tiny hero saves the day. One bright and sunny morning, our little ant was busy working, just like any other day. But suddenly, it noticed something strange. The ground was shaking, and the other ants were running around in a panic. The colony was in danger. But what could they do? Without wasting a second, the brave little ant knew it had to do something. So, with a deep breath and a determined heart, it set off on a daring journey to find help. The ant was small, but its courage was huge. As the little ant ventured out, it faced all sorts of challenges. There were giant puddles to cross, tall blades of grass to climb, and even sneaky spiders lurking in the shadows. But did our ant give up? No way, it kept going, one tiny step at a time. Along the way, the ant met some new friends, a wise old beetle, a cheerful ladybug, and a friendly butterfly. Each one offered help in their own special way. The beetle gave advice, the ladybug shared her food, and the butterfly showed the way through a dark forest. Together, they made a great team. With its new friends by its side, the little ant bravely faced every obstacle. When the path was blocked by a huge rock, they worked together to move it. When a rushing river seemed too wide to cross, they found a way to build a bridge. Nothing could stop them. Finally, after a long and tough journey, the little ant found the solution. It discovered a safe new home where the colony could move to, far away from any danger. The ant's heart swelled with pride. It had done it. With the good news, the ant rushed back to its colony. When it arrived, all the other ants cheered and clapped. They couldn't believe their eyes. The little ant had saved the day. It returned as a true hero, with everyone chanting its name. The whole colony gathered to celebrate. There was a big feast, lots of dancing, and even a special song just for the brave little ant. It was a day no one would ever forget. And so, the ant learned something very important. It doesn't matter how small you are, you can be brave and strong, just like anyone else. The little ant proved that with courage and determination, anything is possible. So, kids, remember, if you ever face something scary or tough, just think of the brave little ant. If it can do it, so can you. Stay brave, stay strong, and never give up on your adventures. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories and adventures. See you next time.